Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Screenshot in Steam. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screenshot games in your Steam and where to locate them and how to change their keybind. For today's video, the first thing you need to do, open up your Steam. And once you open up your Steam, click on View. After clicking on View, go down to Screenshots. After clicking on Screenshot, you will be located here. So here are all the screenshots I've made. As you can see, there's Red Dead Redemption 2, Assassin's Creed, and Dota 2. And you can change it for example, you only want to see Assassin's Creed Unity screenshots, Dota 2 screenshots only, or Red Dead Redemption 2 screenshot only, or you can choose all of them. There you go. So now, how to change the keybind in your screenshot in your Steam, or what is your keybind to take a screenshot in your Steam? So to know or to change, just click on the settings on the top right here. You can see, and you'll be located in game. So once you're here, go down to screenshots. When you're here at screenshots, you will see take a screenshot is F12. So whenever I'm playing Dota 2 and I want to screenshot something, I'll just click F12. There you go. Then to change your keybind in your Dota 2, or I mean your screenshot when you're playing Dota 2 or maybe Red Dead Redemption or any games that plays on Steam, to change your screenshot option is just by clicking on this one right here. After clicking on that, click anything in your keyboard. For example, I'm gonna press O. There you go. Whenever I click O on my keyboard, it will screenshot it. And then click confirm. There you go. I'm gonna click P. There you go. Whenever I click P when I'm playing Dota 2, it will take a screenshot. Wait. And now I'm gonna put it back to F12. There you go, then confirm. So yeah, that is screenshot in Steam. And a little tip for you guys, if you don't want to go through all of that and you just want to take it in your files or get your pictures on your file, just click on this one, save an external copy of my screenshot. When you click this, click on change folder, and this will let you choose which folder you want your screenshot to go to. For example, you can choose here, select folder. After selecting the folder, the pictures that you've screenshot in your game in Steam, you don't have to go right here to view, then screenshots. You just need to go to your file. And there you go. You got a save copy of your screenshot in your files in your computer. So I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.